Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a Nigeria onions Puf-Puf. Easy to make, yummy and super delicious. The end result is really great. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. Let's get started for today's video. Here are the few ingredients that I'm going to be using or needed for this. Feel free to check my description box for the measurements. First, I need a sliced warm water. And it's advisable for you not to use your water at once to avoid it to be liquid. If you don't have this measuring spoon, you can use a teaspoon. I add my yeast. Next, I add my sugar. I will stir it. I will cover it and allow it to rest for 3 to 4 minutes. I'll go ahead and add my nutmeg, a little salt, I will also stir it, mix it thoroughly. I'll go ahead and add it to the same bowl. The next thing, I will stir it with my wooden spoon for a little while. Do this until it's perfectly smooth. If there is a need of water, you can add. It's advisable, add your water bit by bit. If it's too strong, you can correct it. If it's too liquid, it might make you not to have a perfect result. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add my well diced onions or sliced onions. Make sure it's well chopped. I prefer to use this white onion compared to the red one. So at this point, before you use your hand directly, make sure your hand is well clean. So I'll use my hands to perfect it. So at this point, I'm not adding any more liquid. It's perfectly okay to how I desire it. So this is how to get a perfect Puf-Puf. Can you see the droppy consistency? Can you see how the thickness or the lightness looks like? Wonderful, amazing. So I will cover it. I will allow it to rest for like 3 minutes. Sorry, for 45 minutes. Can you see it has already doubled in size? I have started preheating my oil. What I does in most of the time, I will start with just 2 seeds like this. You are saying I'm not really too satisfied with the first one that comes out from the oil. I'll just start with 2. I will take it off, but that 2 can be eaten. Yeah. So at this point, make sure you have a bowl of water that you are dipping your hands, and when you are about to start to fry, make sure you are starting with a low heat. First, make sure your oil is hot. Once your oil is hot, you lower it. Start with a low heat in order for the Puf-Puf to be well cooked inside it. So once I am through with this one, I'm going to finish the left one off camera. So I'm going to repeat the process just this same way you are saying until I finish it. So I am working with 2 kilos, but in case you are going to be doing less than this, like 1 kilo, all you just need to do, the ingredients that I use for this 2 kilo, you reduced it. So if you are making for a small family, 2 kilo might be too much. So you reduce it and reduce everything that you see here. Guys, we are almost done. But to be honest with you, making onions Puf-Puf, there is kind of unique taste it has, and the aromas, guys, is really tastes good. You will eat this and eat this without getting tired. It's really well presentable. You can present it for children, for any occasion, for any event. Guys, it's really amazing. Really amazing. It tastes good, and the taste is really superb. Can you see how colorful it looks like? Oh my god, this is one of my favorite Puf-Puf that I can't really joke with. If I have access of posting it, I will do so that you really get what I'm explaining. So just give it a try. Please go ahead, like the video, share the video, and I also love to see your comment. Encourage your girl, your sister. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.